Physics class is students working together to create and develop knowledge and preparing the next generation of doctors, engineers, biotechnologists, all kinds of scientists who can serve the world. The mission of the physics department is twofold. First, we want to develop a better understanding of the universe by studying things that happen around us that span many orders of magnitude in time and space and energy. And the second part of the mission is to provide a foundation for students to apply physics principles in the world in terms of how tools and devices work, principles of outer space, how to make stuff, and how to take the stuff we already make and make that stuff better. You can see that physics can clear a path in any of these directions in terms of career, as well as the ones we haven't even thought of yet for careers that we haven't made up. You can imagine how it leads to design of realistic environments in video games in the realm of computer science. And those same physics principles form the basis of the study of energy production and sustainability. Want to go into engineering? Welcome to the physics family. We have several options for physics at Princess Anne, and I'm going to describe the differences as well as how each class flows one into the other. MYP Physics is a new option for this year. Now you can take MYP Physics in 10th or even 9th grade. It provides the foundation for a comprehensive study of physics. Our old core physics classes are all restructured into the MYP format, and they're centered around hands-on learning. We set up experiments and see what happens. We make measurements and try to figure out what's important, and when we mess with one thing, how does it affect another thing or another thing? Here are some of the topics that you'll see in each of the physics courses. Now, you don't just learn by listening to me drone on about equations and how to label axes on graphs. That's what Khan Academy is for. In physics, we use toys and have fun. How do you know if you're ready for physics class? Ask yourself, are you comfortable with algebra? Can you solve for x? Can you graph y equals mx plus b? Do you know about right triangles? Can you take the cosine of an angle using your calculator or Desmos? Good news, you are ready. You can take MYP Physics any grade. It might lead you to take IB Physics SL the next year, standard level. And you can leave it at that, or you can continue the next year, which is the higher level year. Is IB not your thing? Think about the AP Physics courses. You don't have to take MYP Physics first. AP Physics classes are meant to be introductions to physics at an accelerated rate, but it can help to take MYP first because the AP classes cover a lot of ground really quickly. Do well on the exam at the end of the year, and you can fast forward your college education. Now remember, equations and theories are just the tools that you use to fuel your imagination. Your curiosity about the world you see around you is your true motivation. You don't have to be a future nuclear engineer to take physics. You just have to be curious about why things do what they do. We'll see you in the fall.